Here's the Redmi Note 11. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card as well as how to double check the mobile settings after the SIM card is inserted, okay? Now I have a dual SIM here, so you can use one or two SIM cards, all right? So the first thing is, let me just put the SIM tray / SD card tray back in here. So first thing is you need to get your SIM ejection tool. It comes right out of your box. It's kind of hidden though. If you grab your box and you open this flap up, voila, it's right there, okay? But if you don't have that laying around, you can always use a different phone ejection tool from a different phone, even like a thin paper clip or bobby pin or the back of a stud earring, as long as the needle is like thin and it's kind of long, okay? So top right hand side, you can see the SIM tray / SD card tray outline right there, and see that little hole in the bottom. You want to put the needle in there, and what we're going to do is put that needle in there, and then we're going to press towards the phone until the lip here pops out just a little tiny bit right there, and then you can go ahead and slide that out. I'm going to pull this out just like this. I'm not going to turn it over. I'm going to leave it just like this. This is where your SD card goes in, SIM 1, SIM 2, okay? So let me put my SIM card 1 in right here. Now I have another SIM card here, but this one's not activated, okay? So I'm only going to use one SIM card, but if you have two, then the SIM 2 will go here, and there's a diagonal slit on the bottom right hand side, so they will go in like this with the contacts on the bottom, okay? But anyway, I only have one that works, so I'm just going to leave that in there, and I'm going to go ahead and slide this in slowly just like that, and we'll see if it registers. So give it 1 second here. Oops, I just saw reception bars in there. I got voicemail. It says no service right now. Oh, now it says T-Mobile, which is my service here in the United States, okay? So now let's go ahead and double check the mobile settings, and also I can see my reception bar up there as well. So now I'm going to go to settings and double check my mobile settings. So I'm going to go to settings, right there, settings icon is right there. And I'm going to tap down here which says SIM cards and mobile networks. Let's tap on that. Now you can see I got SIM 1, you see my phone number there with T-Mobile, which is my carrier here in the US, and SIM number 2, remember I didn't put a SIM in there, so I don't have no SIM card number 2 on there. And you can see I can scroll down, mobile data is selected. Let me click on advanced settings down here, and you can see I got data roaming, connect to data services when roaming. Let me tap on that right there. International roaming, mine's on never, but you can do exceptions only or always. Some of you guys may get charged or whatnot. I don't get charged, so I'm fine with just go ahead and turn that on right there for myself. And I could even set a daily limit while roaming as well, okay, if I wish, okay? Anyway, so for me, everything looks good, and I'm ready to rock and roll. All right, any questions or issues, comment below. Good luck.